Yeah, those are actually the best customers. Those who return.
Wow. So I'm on my way to Centurion now. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, I'm actually gonna go help out one of my subscribers, Queto. He's looking at buying a Ford Figo, so he asked my advice and asked if I could assist him. So that's why I'm on my way to now. I'm actually a little bit late, so I'm driving like an asshole and recording myself. But yeah, traffic is flowing pretty well. So we're pulling up. I don't know what place this is. Looks, there's a whole bunch of like car repair places and like body shops and stuff. So I don't know where the dealership is. I'll keep an eye out. But yeah, just pulling up. And Queto is here as well. So we will. Oh, that's nice. MX-5 and a nice ST. I don't know where his car is. I have a service history for this, or like the logbook at least. Well, not really.
That you have to stick to the old man.
Is it? Oh, does he know?
He knows everything. It comes in my service.
You do the engine work,
yeah.
The hands-on stuff.
Yeah.
He's the paperwork. Okay, that's fine. I'll get to ask him. Mine is literally almost exactly the same case.
Really?
Yeah. Feels very good still.
It all depends. Where's your clutch taking? Is it taking it halfway? Is it taking
Literally exactly the same as this one. So I'm that's in very good condition. You can see like whoever owned it did take quite good care of it, because usually, like even with mine, they'd stand in the sun for quite a while, but usually at this amount of Ks, like this will really start like
peeling and stuff.
Peeling, it just like it starts to wear out because your hands are rough and everything. So yeah, it takes off that layer.
I do the registration for you.
The registration and change of ownership.
Change of ownership and all that. It will be, and it's a Joburg deal. That will be 1,500.
Turbocharge V6. Looks sick. It's unlucky now. I thought you were gonna drive away with your Figo, man. Damn, we should not have covered this time. Some bank transfers.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, also do the transfer tomorrow and then come fetch it on Monday.
This sounds good, yeah. Then you know everything is sorted at least as well.
Yeah, because I don't want to have to start running around. And
Yeah, it's calm. Motorgebouw en alles. Shit. Oom, je motor doen alles?
Ja.
Yes, that's crazy. Hoe lang doen we nou die kar, as ek mag vra?
So, 22 jaar.
Ja nee, dis lang genoeg tyd om alles self om te kan doen, yes. En die wiele, oom, is dit oorspronklike Ford? Nee. Is dit? Ja. Hulle lyk baie mooi. Yes, dit is. Ja, dit is normaal. Klein. Dit is 'n klein turbo hier so. Ja. En is dit speelding of is dit maar...
Ja, ek ry elke dag.
Is it? Yes. Guys, you don't see this often, eh? That's what I'm saying. You can see he's been in the game for many years, and he gets by being honest.
That's true. I mean, you can't last in this business if you're a piece of shit.
Dude, that's what I tell people like who do servicing and stuff.
Yeah.
I tell them, don't you want to work to a quality when people want to return to you? Like, isn't that the goal at the end of the day?
Yeah. Those are actually the best customers.
Wow. Alright, dude. I know you're a bit disappointed because I can see it on your face. You really wanted to drive away with it today.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. But he's going to be back on Monday to come pick up the car, and they'll hope to have all the papers and everything sorted. roadworthy everything, so that should be sorted on Monday. It's a pity because we came too late, so we couldn't do a bank transfer. So if we came a little bit earlier, but obviously we have work and shit, so what can you do?
Yeah.
But yeah, are you happy? Are you happy with the car? Are you happy with what you're getting? Oh, we're sick.
And you did a pretty good work actually, checking things out and letting me know what.
Hey, if you drive it for 5 years, you know what shit to look for, eh? Oh, we're sick, man. Thank you for coming. Oh, thank you for being here. Thank you for inviting me. I appreciate it. And hopefully, once you start doing some wheels and some sound, I know it's only a driving car, but once you do start doing those eventually, let me know. We can meet up. Okay, guys. So we're leaving. Well, I'm leaving the dealership now. Nkwato couldn't get the car because we couldn't transfer the funds and the place doesn't have a card machine, so he was going to pay the difference, but he's going to go back on Monday to pick up the car. He's going to let me know, and I'm really excited for him. The car's in super good condition, even though it has high mileage. Very, very good car. And also the shop where he's buying it, I really feel you can trust these people. Like, it's not someone that's trying to bullshit you and trying to force you to buy the car. So really awesome day, really awesome guy to meet. Nkwato, you're fucking sick, man. Really great to meet you. Thank you for everything, and I hope you have many happy miles in your Ford Figo. You'll definitely be joining us for some runs and stuff soon. So another thing I just wanted to say, guys, one way you can support the channel absolutely free is by hitting that like button, doing a little share, and subscribing, hitting that notification bell just to know when I'm uploading new videos, which is usually Fridays around 6. So please support the channel. It's absolutely free, you guys. It takes only like half a millisecond to hit the like button and leave a comment. So on that note, thank you so much, guys, for all the support. I did actually see we reached the 700 subscribers, so by the next video I'm hoping for a lot more. Season 1 is coming of Unique Originals, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting updates about that very, very soon. I'm very excited, and hope you guys have a great weekend, and keep the positive vibes flowing. Bye.